In November of 2023, a state education department memo was sent to stakeholders outlining 6 potential changes to certification, including one that was a direct attack on our profession, a proposal that threatened to eliminate the requirement that all teachers obtain master's degrees. The outcome of this proposal would have dramatic impacts on education. It would deprofessionalize us and cause harm to our higher education members by decimating educator preparation programs throughout this state. So we sprang into action and convened NYSET's Future of Teacher Certification and Preparation Work Group, composed of K-12 and higher education members, with the goal of identifying the legitimate barriers to obtaining master's degrees and to the certification process. I am happy to report that after months of persuasion to the Education Department and extreme rejection by NYSET, the proposal to eliminate the master's degree requirement is a thing of the past. The department is not proceeding with the proposal. And when discussing why the proposal has been abandoned, representatives refer to there being resistance in the field. That's us. We are proudly the resistance in the field. Literacy is fundamental in accessing education and lifelong learning. Literacy shouldn't be looked at as a privilege, but as a civil right. And thanks to our advocacy and to the $10 million grant we received for this work from Governor Hochul's Back to Basics Initiative for Literacy, we have NYSET's Education and Learning Trusts course, Science of Reading, a practical approach for educators. And pending State Education Department's approval, our 30-hour blended model course will be able to be offered at no cost to every single educator in this state. Let me say that again. Every single educator at no cost. We are the experts, we are the professionals, and we will continue to defend and protect our profession. Together, we are the union. Thank you.